Model, 65-plate Nissan NV200 Acenta 1.5 dCi 89PS needs gearbox replacement. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,599. MOT, the 13th of July 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9 bhp, E5D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will need repair and replacing as it's making noises and has little or no drive. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI,